Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're here at Spotify Camp Nou, bringing you a focused update on two major construction zones, the North Goal area and the Lateral section. Today's progress showcases significant slat support welding work and the impressive tie rod installation. Clear weather conditions are allowing excellent construction momentum. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It's completely free and helps us grow. Let's dive in. Starting at the North Goal area, workers are actively visible with multiple elevated platforms operating. The interior shows substantial activity, though visibility is limited due to backlighting. The corner section still shows no new anchor installations. These must be installed before slat placement can begin. Moving to the central North Goal section, multiple platforms work simultaneously, with workers performing installation tasks. The staircase areas show considerable progress, with structural beamwork substantially advanced. The North Goal corner presents major developments with active welding of slat support connections. Two elevated platforms hold workers welding connection pieces to black structural beams. These vertical connectors will support the slat mounting system, with welding extending toward the Tribuna section. Chrome tubes remain stacked with two levels installed in upper sections. Before we continue, I want to quickly ask you something. Since this channel is fully dedicated to Camp Nou construction updates, I'm thinking about renaming it to Espai Barca Tracker for a more focused identity. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And as always, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Now let's move to the Lateral section. The Lateral section showcases dramatic structural progress. The massive tie rod has been successfully installed. This striking element is prominently visible from inside the stadium. 3 radial beams are in place with the 4th staged in storage. Multiple compression ring components are visible, including counterweights and the prepared 4th pillar. The corner slat installation demonstrates how impressive the complete facade will appear. Staircase sections show concrete panels on lower portions, with sandwich panels progressing. One interior section is nearly complete, with exterior sections receiving panels. Material deliveries continue, with slats stacked throughout. The 4th radial beam is staged with compression ring components visible. That's today's focused update on the North Goal and Lateral sections. Major progress on slat support welding, tie rod installation, and structural staging. Thank you for watching MegaVerse Builds. Subscribe and hit that like button. Let me know your thoughts. Should we change the channel name? See you in the next video.